Oh my god, I so thought that was lightning.
Ow, it's so bright.
Lights on over there. Some lights over there. Chambers.
What the heck?
There's a Lenny. You can see her face outline.
Really?
Do it again.
Is that cool?
Yeah, I totally got that. No, keep your camera there. You can see like just the outline of your face.
Like this?
No,
Can you see me?
put the screen to your face.
The screen?
Yeah, like hold your like you're looking at a picture. Oh, I can't see you anymore.
Can you see me?
I can see you.
See your camera. No, it was so weird. Oh my god. Wait. When you weren't here, when it was just me and Jacob.
There's so many blocking my view now. It's too dark.
When it was just
There's a really big lighting.
Yeah, I was in the episode watching TV and
It's raining.
I
Snowing.
could not find a light and I had a flashlight and I took a picture of a flashlight with me with it dark and my hair down. I looked so creepy. I looked like Rapunzel.
There's Maddie looking at pictures. Can't really see her. There's Lenny. You can't see her. It's too dark.
Can my camera real quick?
Here's me.
Oh wait, Maddie.
Oh, you probably saw me because of the flash. That's really weird. Oh.
If you look in the window right while they're taking a picture, it looks so pretty. Everyone look at the thing. No, you have to do it with Leah. Do it.
Me?